Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, Harbourview General Manager Clyde Giardini says it's clear that the current local football club structure was not thought out properly, and that is now being brought to the fore. There was confusion over whether teams would be relegated from the top flight this season, with JFF Vice President Raymond Anderson saying on Monday that there would be no relegation before making a U-turn 24 hours later. That decision means Chapelton Maroons and Falkland will drop down to the lower leagues, with both rooted to the foot of the table. But Giardini says Chapelton Maroons were always going to struggle in the top league based on how they gained promotion.
If you remember, Chapelton Maroons were not even a club. They never came about. They were quickly foisted because the JFF was horribly putting together teams from all the parishes, because the focus was to try within the pandemic to get a restart and to get representatives from each club, each parish. And they were just going for who was available and who was willing to take up the mantle.
In the meantime, Anderson said that the decision to have relegation this season was done after discussions with the PFJL, who said a 16-team league would not be sustainable at this time. And CEO of the PFJL, Owen Hill, says discussions regarding the numbers are ongoing.
We're not happy with just hosting tournaments and just putting on, a show where players play for 90 minutes, who collect 3 points and move forward. We are saying, let's build the industry and let us build it sensibly. So those discussions are ongoing, and until we get to a happy medium, I think these are always going to be discussions. So yes, the cry is there, and the current teams understand the cry, because they also face a lot of the heavy criticisms about just making sure that they're professionally ready.
Overseas now, leaders Arsenal and the defending champions Manchester City are set to battle in a key matchup for the English Premier League title this afternoon at the Etihad Stadium. Arsenal are on 75 points from 32 matches, while City have 70 from 30. But the visitors are coming off 3 drawn results. The Citizens have been in imperious form since the start of the year, with only 2 defeats in 13 league matches. The match is set to kick off at 2 in the afternoon. The last time both teams met, City ran out 3-1 winners. In other games, at 1:45, 7th place Liverpool, who are chasing European football, travelled to the London Stadium for a clash with West Ham United, the team of reggae boy Michael Antonio. Another reggae boy, Ethan Pinnock, and his Brentford, they travelled to Stamford Bridge for the clash against the struggling Chelsea. And Brighton and Hove Albion oppose Nottingham Forest at the City Ground. Camperdown High and the Queen's School will vie for the ISA National Girls Basketball Championship today at Jamaica College. Camperdown on Tuesday registered wins over Manchester High and Mount Alvernia to make their way into the final. The Queen's School made progress with convincing wins over Stets and Herbert Morrison Technical. The final is set to tip off at 3:30. Herbert Morrison finished third after their 28-7 win over hosts Manchester High on Tuesday. And that's it for your midday sports. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.